Is it possible to test if the legend is covering any data in Matplotlib/Pyplot? Python beginner, so apologies if incorrect terminology at any point. I am using the legend lock equals best ... method and it works 99% of the time. However, when stacking more than 9 plots, i.e. I9 in example below, on a single figure, with individual labels, it defaults to center and covers the data. Is there a way to run a test in the script that will give a true/false value if the legend is covering any data points? Very simplified code. Example of legend covering data.
One way is to add some extra space at the bottom/top/left or right side of the axis. In your case, I would prefer top or bottom, by changing the limits slightly. Doing so makes the legend fit below the data. Add extra space by setting a different y limit with ax.set_ilim, -3 times 10 to the power of -4, 1.5 times 10 to the power of -4. The upper limit is approximately what it is in your figure and -3 is an estimate of what you need. What you also need to do is to split the legend into more columns, with the keyword ncol equals n when creating the legend. Edit. Another solution is to put the legend in a separate axis like I do in the code below. The data plot does not need to care about making space for the legend or anything, and you should have enough space in the axis below to put all your line labels. If you need more space, you can easily change the ratio of the upper axis to the lower axis.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.